Today we will learn about PHP. PHP is server-side language, the most widely used language for the websites, and this is server side, this is not client side. Okay, server side means server will process. There is a software, Apache Web Server. Okay, Apache Web Server will process PHP. Okay, you can use internet information server, but by default Apache is open source and PHP is open source. This is a good combination with the Linux. Okay, and on Windows this is same, and we are using Windows. Okay, so let's start. First read this. Okay, steps: download XAMPP, go to C drive, then open htdocs folder, create folder with, for example, PHP, and open control panel of XAMPP from start button. Okay, from here start button, right? And then click the start button next to Apache. When control panel opens, for example, this is I have installed it, and this is control panel. Okay, this is the control panel. This is the control panel. Okay, it has been started in port 80 with 443 SSL, right? Apache, and we have stop, this stop button, and if this is start, this is not started, this is not started. Okay, these two, MySQL and Apache, have been started, so click start here. Okay, next is you have to configure apache.ini, apache httpd.config. Okay, this is the file. If by default there is no need to configure, just to see that you may configure it. Okay, for example, I want to change the port. By default 80 port, I go to edit and I find. Okay, I find listen. I find listen. Okay, so this is listen. This is our listen port 80. If I change the default port 80, then server will listen to 80 port. Okay, this is localhost. Okay, there are other changes, many changes. You can load the modules, you can do many things. Okay, script timeout, etc. You can change. The most important is document root. You can add the directories, virtual hosts. Okay, web server hosts many sites, shared hosting. Okay, so this is Apache folder where you can change. There are other SSL folders also. So this is one file. Other file is my.ini. Okay, this is my.ini, and in my.ini you can change the port. Default MySQL database port 3306. You can change it. Okay, from here this or MySQL D. Okay, this is second configuration file, and there is a php.ini, the most important. This is, and if you go to edit and type max, for example, max input time, max input buffer, max execution time of the script. This is max 500 milliseconds. Okay, 500 milliseconds, 500 seconds. Okay, maximum execution time. Then go to max again and upload size. There is input time 60. You can change it. Then you have max. You have maximum allocation memory. Max input size. Max is error logs. You can change it. Maximum size of data post. When you post the data with the form, you can change it. Okay. Post data size. This is 8 megabyte. If you have a big form and where there are many text areas, you can change it to 16, 32 depending upon the your project. And then maximum file size is 2M. So if you have large files, video files, then you can change it to 8M, 10M. Okay, so users will be able to change the when user will click browse button, then and choose the file. There you may have seen that there is file limitation error that 2 megabyte you can upload only 2 megabytes. Okay, so this is where you change. After changing these files, you have to restart it. Okay, stop and restart, stop and restart. You have to, if you have changed php.ini this, you have to start Apache again. Okay, so this is the environment. We will create folder and PHP files in the next lesson. Okay, thank you.